Okay, so solve natin yung problem number 1 and problem number 2 sa speed of sound. Okay, so first, problem number 1, find the speed of sound of the air in English and metric system at standard sea level condition. Okay, so pinapahanap yung speed of sound ng air sa English tsaka metric system. So unahin muna natin yung sa English system. Okay, so sulat natin for English system. Okay, so lagay muna natin yung given sa problem. So may given tayo na standard sea level condition. Okay, so meaning gagamitin natin na temperature is yung constant, no? Yung constant na temperature sa standard sea level condition, which is 519 Rankine kapag English system. Okay? So yung required, yung pinapahanap sa problem is yung speed of sound. Okay? So solution. So lagi nyong ilagay, no? Lagi nating isulat yung given, yung pinapahanap, yung required, tsaka yung solution. Okay, so solution, sulat natin yung formula ngayon ng speed of sound sa English system. So VA is equals to 49.02 times square root of temperature. Okay, so para makuha yung speed of sound, ito yung gagamitin na formula. Okay, so sa formula ng speed of sound merong temperature, and given naman yung temperature natin, no, constant, no, dahil nasa standard sea level condition lang lumilipad yung or pinapahanap yung speed of sound ng air. Okay, so 49.02, ilagay lang natin ngayon yung given na temperature na 519 Rankine. Okay, so direct lang natin lagay sa calculator, lalabas na yung sagot. Yung sagot is 1,116.8 feet per seconds. Okay? So tandaan nyo, yung unit ng speed of sound kapag English system is feet per seconds. Kapag metric system naman is meter per seconds. Okay? So nakuha na natin sagot sa English system. So sa metric system naman. So for metric system. So given. Okay, so again, standard sea level condition tayo. So gagamitin natin yung constant na temperature in metric system sa standard sea level condition, which is 288 degree Kelvin. Okay? So required ulit, pinapahanap is speed of sound. Okay? So solution. So VA equals to 20. Okay, so yung formula ng speed of sound kapag metric system is VA equals to 20.05 times temperature. Okay, so VA speed of sound ngayon is equals to 20.05. Then substitute lang natin yung given na temperature na 288 Kelvin. Okay? So, input lang natin sa calculator 20.05 times square root of 288. So, yung sagot is 340.26 meter per seconds. Okay? So, again, kapag metric system, meter per seconds yung unit ng speed of sound. Okay? So, let's proceed naman sa number 2. So, number 2, what is the speed of sound of air at temperature of 560 Rankine? Okay? So, given, Ano daw yung speed of sound ng air sa given na temperature na 560 Rankine. Okay? So, given, sulat muna natin, given. Yung given tayo na temperature na 560 Rankine. So, kung kanina sa problem number 1, standard sea level condition tayo. Dito naman sa number 2, given na yung temperature. May given na temperature na 560 Rankine. Okay? So, yung required, yung pinapahanap is yung speed of sound. Okay? So, solution, lagay ko na lang dito. So, since English system yung unit na binigay sa problem, so gagamitin natin formula yung speed of sound in English system. Okay? So, VA is equals to 49.02 times T. Okay? So, substitute lang natin ngayon yung given na temperature. So, 49.02 times 560. Okay? So, VA, input lang natin sa calc yan. Nalabas na yung sagot. So, VA is equals to 1,160.02 feet per seconds. Okay? Since English system, kaya feet per seconds yung unit ng speed of sound. Okay?